Top Incident Manager Interview Questions and Answers 2024.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Incident managers play the key role in all organizations' growth. Their key responsibility is to make sure of smooth operations within the organization and mitigate it-related incidents. A company's growth is highly reliant on its digital infrastructure and its security framework. This leaves a demand for the skilled incident managers. SprintSeal is here again to help you out with yet another problem. In this article, we will help you with some of the most frequently asked questions in the incident manager interview and answer them in the best way to help you secure your job with confidence. What is incident management? 1. Define the role of incident management in IT service management, ITSM. Incident management is the backbone of ITSM, ensuring uninterrupted service delivery. It swiftly identifies, investigates, and resolves incidents, minimizing downtime and enhancing user experience. By proactively addressing issues and learning from past incidents, we can optimize service quality and build customer trust. 2. Briefly introduce the skills and competencies an incident manager must have. An effective incident manager possesses a unique blend of technical and interpersonal skills. They must be adept at troubleshooting complex IT issues, understanding service-level agreements, and communicating effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Strong analytical skills are essential for identifying root causes and implementing preventive measures. Additionally, a calm demeanor under pressure and the ability to prioritize tasks are crucial for managing incidents efficiently. Top behavior-based incident manager interview questions. 1. How do you handle high-pressure situations where multiple incidents are occurring simultaneously? In high-pressure situations with multiple concurrent incidents, I prioritize and coordinate effectively. I leverage incident management tools to triage incidents based on severity and impact. By delegating tasks to qualified team members and communicating clearly with stakeholders, I ensure that each incident receives the necessary attention. I also remain calm and focused, making data-driven decisions to minimize disruption and restore normal service operations as quickly as possible. 2. Can you describe a time when you successfully managed a critical incident? What was the outcome? During a critical network outage at previous company, I led a cross-functional team to quickly identify the root cause, a hardware failure. Working closely with our network vendor, we expedited the replacement of the faulty equipment. Through effective communication and coordination, we restored network connectivity within a shorter time frame than anticipated, minimizing business impact and preventing further escalation. 3. How do you prioritize incidents in a scenario where several critical issues need attention? I prioritize incidents based on a combination of severity, impact, and urgency. Severity refers to the technical complexity and potential damage of the incident, while impact considers the number of affected users and the disruption to business operations. Urgency takes into account the time constraints and the need for immediate resolution. By carefully evaluating these factors, I can allocate resources effectively and ensure that the most critical issues are addressed promptly.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.